Hello everyone. Today we are addressing one of the most common workplace accidents, slips, trips and falls. These incidents can lead to the serious injuries, but they are largely preventable. Let's learn how. Slips, trips and falls often occur due to wet floors, uneven surface, poor lighting and clutter. To prevent these, ensure floors are clean and dry. Use wet floor signs when mopping, or is there any spill. Make sure all walkways and work areas are well fit and free of obstacles. Keep cables and cords neatly secured and out of the way. Use anti-slip mats in areas prone or getting wet, like entryways and kitchen. Proper footwear is also important. Wear shoes with the good traction, especially if you are walking in a slippery environment. For example, slip resistant shoes are ideal for kitchen or factory settings. If slip, trips or fall does occur, knowing how to respond is crucial. Provide first aid if necessary and report the incident immediately. Investigate the cause to prevent future accidents. Regular training and awareness campaigns can also help keep these risks tops of mind. The summarize preventing slips and trips and falls requires a protective approach. Keep your environment clean and free of any slips and trips hazard. Use proper lighting and wear appropriate footwear. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe.